To hide photos and videos on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna go to the gallery. Once you open gallery, you want to open the photo that you wish to hide, tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner and choose Add to Album. Now over here we should be able to find the private album option, so of course we can select it, then confirm that you want to add it, and there we go, we have added our photo to the private album. Now in order to find the private album, what you can do is you can simply swipe down over here in this album section. So of course here at the bottom we can switch to albums or categories, and then you can just swipe down in order to open the private album. Here we can use the privacy protection password, which if you don't have, you can easily set up. Your phone will definitely guide you to do so. It is very simple and very similar to the screen lock password, I mean the whole setup process. Of course, if you want to, you can add multiple photos and videos at once. You can press and hold your finger in order to select whatever you want to hide. In order to select the first file, then of course we can select multiple other files as well. And then we can just choose Add to Album at the bottom. And over here we can go to Private Album and confirm our choice. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.